Many believe all hot air guns are the same, but that's a misconception costing professionals time and results. I'm an electronics repair expert with years in BGA Rework. Let's talk about why your current station may be holding you back. Switching temperatures mid-task wastes precious seconds. Inconsistent airflow leads to poor soldering or component damage. And unreliable temperature control can ruin sensitive boards. That's where the SUGON 8630Pro changes the game. It's a 1300 watts digital hot air gun with advanced features. 4 button work channels let you store custom settings. Switch instantly between CH1, CH2, CH3, and CH4. Each channel remembers your preferred temperature and airflow, plus a 1-key cold air button for precise desoldering. Magnetic switch control puts the handle to sleep automatically. This saves energy and extends the life of your station. You can even adjust parameters while in sleep mode. Sensor closed loop and microcomputer control ensure accuracy. Temperature rises fast, stays stable, and isn't affected by airflow. The brushless vortex fan gives you adjustable, powerful airflow. Use large or small air volume for any repair scenario. Automatic large air volume cooling protects the heating element. This means longer tool life and safer operation. A silicone nozzle storage area keeps accessories organized. You even get a screwdriver for easy maintenance. Real-time DGC/DGF display lets you monitor temperature precisely. Self-calibration ensures ongoing accuracy for every job. Let's see it in action with a BGA chip removal. Select your preset channel, set airflow, and start. Temperature holds steady, no overheating or cold spots. Component lifts cleanly, no board damage. Switch to cold air instantly to finish the job. Now let's try a heat shrink task. Adjust air volume for larger or smaller tubing. Perfect shrinkage, no burns or uneven heating. This station is also ideal for paint stripping or thawing. Versatile enough for glue welding and disinfection too. Whether you need precision or power, it adapts instantly. No more waiting or fiddling with unreliable controls. The SUGON 8630Pro is built for professionals and hobbyists alike. Upgrade your workshop with technology that works for you. Experience faster, safer, and more reliable repairs today.